Let's install GCC in less than 90 seconds. Search Mises2, click on the first one. I like Mises2 because it provides up-to-date GCC. Now download the installer, let it download, scroll down and copy this command line. When it's downloaded, open the installer, press next. You can leave the install directory as default. Here I change it up because I have MSys already installed. After that, press next and next again. Let it install. After that, press finish and a command line will open. Earlier we copied the command, so right click and paste. Press enter. This will pop up and enter a capital Y and press enter again. And let it download. After it's done, search environment. Click on environment variables. On the system variables, go to path and press on new and type this. Press enter and move it to the top. Press OK and you're done. You can check if GCC is properly installed in your system by typing in gcc-v and pressing enter. You will see this and that means you are good to go.